guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Preeti and I did a poll on my Instagram page. I posted this video. Yeah, I posted the Renaissance video and I asked people because I got some questions in the comments how I did that. So I did a poll on my stories and I asked people if they want to see a tutorial, and many of you said yes, like 87%. So here I am vlogging it. Well, not really vlogging, I'm gonna show you the screen recording version now. But yeah, I'm gonna make the tutorial. I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, please like, share and subscribe. And press the bell icon because I'm trying to post more on this channel. Hopefully I'll do that. So yeah, let's get started. Hey guys, so let's start. First thing first, go to Instagram, then go to stories, select hands-free, then go to browse effects. Now type in time warp scan and press enter. Now search for the effect with the blue line. Select the one I'm selecting and press try it. Now record a video of you with the effect selected. After you're done, save the video to the camera roll. Now open the camera and play the video and select the last screenshot and crop it and save it. Now go to PixArt, open PixArt and open the picture. Now select stickers and type in Renaissance. Now this is the time to show your creativity. So select any elements you like. I'm selecting the sky and pressing background and erasing the unnecessary part. Now I'm just decorating the image, adding Renaissance children and flowers and hands and anything I like basically. Here I'm changing my clothes to fit the picture and the vibe better. I'm erasing the extra parts. Also, if you make a mistake, there's a restore button. You can click it and paint it on again and restore the deleted part. So after decorating the image however I wanted to, I select apply, then I go to effects and select oil painting to give this a more realistic look. I also added some grain and then saved it. Now open the PowerDirector app and new project and select 9:16. Now open the video we created with the effect on, then go to layers and select the picture. Now drag the picture to be the same length as the video and trim the excess video parts. Now drag the picture as I'm showing you here to be as the same dimension as the video. Here I'm trimming the picture just a little bit so that I can see the first screen of the video. Now with the picture selected, go to edit, mask and then linear. Now drag the bar to the top of the screen as I've shown you here and select the diamond button and play the video. After the video is played, drag the bar down and select the diamond button again and play the video again. Now go to Save to Gallery, and save the video to your camera roll. Et voila! Your video is done. Like, share and subscribe and follow for more. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.